Hello viewers, welcome back to the YouTube channel TiT BiT. Today I'm going to talk about Amazon rainforest, but before going to discuss these facts, you have to subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's get started. Nine percent of the Earth's oxygen is produced by Amazon rainforest. The Amazon represents more than half of the Earth's rainforest. During the past 40 years, at least 20% of the Amazon rainforest has been cut down. The Amazon rainforest encompasses an area of 5.5 million square kilometers. The name of Amazon comes from Amazon of Greek mythology, means a race of women warriors. Sand from Sahara is blown by the wind all the way to the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest has been in existence for at least 55 million years. One out of 10 species in the world lives in the Amazon rainforest. There are no bridges over the Amazon River. Almost 400 billion trees belonging to 16,000 different species grow in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon River discharges 5 times as much water as any other river on the planet. The Amazon rainforest is home to about 2.5 billion insect species. So guys, these were all about today's tidbit. If you want to know more about the world, universe, planets, so you have to subscribe this channel. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update. Stay tuned. Good luck for the next time.